Hello everyone, welcome to House Decor. Today in this video, I am going to show you some Shabby chic inspired garden decorating ideas. Let's take a look. Shabby chic inspired garden decorating is a romantic, vintage style garden look that combines soft colors, weathered furniture, floral patterns, antique looking accessories, and a relaxed cottage atmosphere. Here are some Shabby chic inspired garden decorating tips to create a charming, romantic, vintage atmosphere. Use vintage containers. Turn old buckets, metal cans, animal parts, teacups, and ceramic bowls into charming planters. Mix old and new pieces. Combine newer garden furniture with antique looking accessories so the space feels collected over time. Try a distressed garden table. A weathered white or palely painted table can become a beautiful centerpiece for flowers and garden accessories. Decorate with floral fabrics. Add floral cushions, seat pads, or a small outdoor tablecloth to bring softness and pattern. Add vintage style signs. Small wooden signs with simple garden themed words can give the space a cottage like personality. Use old style watering cans. Display galvanized or painted watering cans beside flower pots, even when they are no longer used for watering. Create a cozy sitting nook. Surround a vintage chair or bench with flowering plants to create a peaceful spot for reading or relaxing. Use bird cages creatively. An old decorative bird cage can be filled with trailing plants or flowers as a unique garden accent. Include plenty of greenery. Don't use only flowers. Ferns, herbs, vines, or leafy plants help balance the pastel colors. Embrace imperfection. Shabby chic is about character rather than perfection. Small scratches, faded paint, and weathered textures can actually make the garden more charming. Create a vintage garden entrance. Frame the entrance with an old wooden gate, climbing vines, or flowering plants. Hang flower baskets. Use hanging baskets filled with trailing flowers to add height and softness. Decorate a garden wall. Place vintage mirrors, small frames, old plates, or decorative metal pieces on a wall or fence. Make a pretty herb corner. Grow herbs in a small ceramic pots or rustic wooden boxes and label them with simple vintage style tags. Use mismatched pots. Don't worry about every planter matching. A mixture of ceramic, terracotta, metal, and painted pots create a collected look. Add a small garden table display. Place a vase of flowers, a small lantern, and a vintage style watering can. Use an old wooden door. A weathered wooden door can become a decorative backdrop for climbing plants or hanging baskets. Display terracotta pots in groups. Mix different sizes and shapes rather than arranging every pot identically. Decorate a garden shed. Add window boxes, a wreath, climbing plants, and a small vintage style sign. Add a rustic birdhouse. A small decorative birdhouse can bring extra cottage charm to our garden tree or post. Add a small garden bench. Position it where flowers and greenery surround the sitting area. Try a pastel painted planter. Softly painted pots can implement the classic Shabby chic palette. Add a decorative garden gate. A slightly ornate gate can instantly create an old-fashioned cottage garden entrance. Use a small outdoor cabinet. Store gardening supplies inside while using the top as a display surface for plants. Hang baskets at different heights. This creates vertical interest and make even a small garden feel more abundant. Add handmade touches. Hand-painted pots, simple wooden signs, homemade wreaths, and DIY plant markers can make the garden feel personal. Let plants soften hard edges. Allow suitable trailing plants and greenery to visually soften walls, containers, fences, and garden furniture. Use a vintage style bench as a focal point. Place it beneath a tree or beside a flower border. Decorate with animal wear. Old-fashioned animal bowls, jugs, and containers can make charming decorative planters. Make a garden centerpiece. Arrange potted flowers, a small lantern, and a vintage-style container on an outdoor table. Add a soft painted fence. White, cream, pale blue, or muted green can complement the Shabby chic aesthetic. Use a vintage-style watering can as decor. Place it beside a flower bed or fill it with suitable trailing plants. Add a rustic potting bench. Keep small pots, gardening tools, baskets, and plant labels neatly arranged on it. Try a repurposed wooden crate display. Stack crates securely to create simple plant shelves. Use floral patterned accessories. Small botanical or floral patterns on outdoor cushions can reinforce the romantic look. Create a lavender-inspired corner. Group lavender and complementary plants around a small vintage-style chair or table. Add a decorative bird bath. A classic bird bath can serve as an elegant garden focal point while supporting visiting birds. Make a charming garden path. Use stepping stones surrounded by low-growing plants for a relaxed cottage appearance. Decorate with galvanized tubes. Large metal tubs can work as distinctive containers for suitable plants. Use a small pergola for shade. Add climbing greenery and a comfortable sitting area underneath. Create a vintage-inspired color story. Repeat 2 or 3 soft colors throughout the pots, furniture, and accessories to keep everything cohesive. Mix weathered and natural materials. Combine edged wood, metal, terracotta, stone, wicker, and greenery to create the layered character that makes Shabby curtains so inviting. Create a cottage-style entrance. Place matching or mismatched planters on either side of the garden gate. Use a reclaimed wooden table. Let the natural imperfections and its texture become part of the decor. Add a vintage-style garden cart. Fill an old-style cart with potted flowers and trailing greenery. Thanks for watching the video.